India is becoming a global manufacturing hub. It's very simple. Get the product design and support from Japan, execute it in India, and distribute it to all over the world. We have already demonstrated by supplying 50,000 CRMs to domestic and global market, 10,000 plus engines of the ATMs to Japan, and 10,000 plus smart safes to Americas. We are a true Make in India company. We have already localized the critical modules and all these parts across with the Indian suppliers, and we are now aiming to bring in new products for new multinational companies with our Make in India effort. Atmanirbhar Bharat, our approach is to make it in India for domestic and global markets.